They say trading is simple, but if it's that simple, why do 90% fail? The truth, becoming profitable isn't about charts or indicators. Now it's time to see what happens behind the scenes of trading. Secrets that no course, no book, and no mentor dares to tell you.
Stay until the end of this video because we're going to show you the first key to surviving in the market. A key that if you don't understand it today, you may have no capital left to trade with tomorrow.
Step 1. Survival first. Your first job in trading isn't to make money, it's to stay alive. Jesse Livermore, one of the greatest traders of the early 1900s, said, "The game taught me the game, and it didn't spare the rod." He went bust multiple times before mastering survival. Lesson: cut losses fast, risk small, protect capital like oxygen, because when your oxygen runs out, the game is over, and once you survive, the real game begins. Step 2. Build the edge. You don't need to be right all the time, just tilt the odds. Edward Thorpe, MIT professor, proved even a 51% edge beats the casino. He brought the same math to Wall Street. Result: 20 years of consistent profits. Lesson: you don't need 70% winning trades. A 40% win rate with a 1 to 3 risk reward is enough. Small edges compound into massive gains. Question: do you think like a gambler or like a casino? Your answer decides your next move. If you've stayed with me this far, it means you're one of the few who haven't quit the game. But remember, the second half of this journey is the part most people will never understand. So hit subscribe right now to make sure you don't miss it. Because from here, everything gets even more serious. Step 3. Control the mind. The market isn't your enemy. Your emotions are. Paul Tudor Jones said, "Losers average losers." He learned never to let fear or greed dictate trades. Lesson: fear makes you exit too soon. Greed makes you hold too long. Revenge makes you double down. Solution: practice box breathing. Keep a trading journal. Build a calm, patient, disciplined trading persona. Question: who's sitting at your desk? The emotional you or the disciplined sniper? Step 4. Patience is profit. The impatient always lose to the patient. Nicholas Darvas, who made millions while traveling and dancing around the world, said, "Money is made by sitting, not trading." He only needed a few setups per year, but he waited. Lesson: most 1-minute moves are noise. Fewer trades equals better trades. Patience multiplies your edge. Question: do you chase every move or wait for your moment? If you're here, it means you're serious. So do one simple thing. Subscribe right now. Don't miss the next secret, strategy, or golden insight. The choice is yours. Keep opportunities or let them slip away. Step 5. Process over outcome. Profit is a byproduct, not the goal. Ray Dalio, founder of the world's largest hedge fund, said, "Pain plus reflection equals progress." He focused on the process, not the result, and the process built billions. Lesson: one trade doesn't matter, one day doesn't matter, only the process matters. Set rules, follow them, let results come naturally. Step 6. Adapt like water. The market punishes rigidity, it rewards flexibility. Bruce Lee said, "Be water, my friend." Great traders flow around obstacles, never forcing. Lesson: if the market changes, adapt your plan. No ego, no stubbornness. The profitable trader bends but never breaks. Step 7. The long game. The market is a marathon, not a sprint. Warren Buffett didn't get rich chasing quick wins. He became a billionaire by compounding small gains over decades. Lesson: think in years, not days. Focus on steady growth, not instant riches. Small, consistent profits build massive wealth. Question: are you playing the short game or the long one? So now you know the path. Survive first. Build your edge. Control your mind. Wait with patience. Trust the process. Adapt like water. Play the long game. But this is just the beginning, because the market never stops teaching. And every new lesson could be the one that changes your game forever. So, if you want to catch the next secret, the next strategy, the next golden edge, subscribe now. Don't let the future of your trading slip away.